I am Richard Montero, Principal of City Private School. I would like to tremendously thank the KFI Global and the amazing presenter, Ms. Marilyn Pinto, for the valuable insights provided to our students. They thoroughly enjoyed the session. The immense real-life learning experience, the confidence and the skills that our students gained will go a long way. It will help students reach their goals. The specific knowledge on how to budget and how to save money, create plans that set expectations, financial accountability and strategies for achieving seemingly unachievable goals was greatly overwhelming. We heartily thank Emirates NBD and the entire team for this initiative. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Layan. For the past 2 days, I've really enjoyed this program with Ms. Marilyn from KFI Global, and I've learned a lot of new things that I've always wanted to learn about, and I'm really grateful for that.
My name is Amin, and I want to thank KFI Global for giving us the opportunity to teach us about this program about financial literacy, and I want to thank Emirates NBD for sponsoring this program.
My name is Bibi Ukhkala Hashimi, and I would like to thank Ms. Marilyn for this amazing session. And I would also like to thank the KFI Global Group for presenting us with this amazing session, and Emirates NBD for providing us the opportunity to learn about money management and smart ways to deal with money.
My name is Omar Dawood. Today's program was amazing. We learned about how to financially be stable, how to financially not get fraud or scammed, and it was honestly amazing, and thank you Emirates NBD for sponsoring this program.
My name is Adnan. I'd like to thank the KFI Global for this amazing program, and I really enjoyed it because of the amazing explanation by Ms. Marilyn, and it was very interesting and indulging, and recommend for everyone to take it because it contains really valuable information.
Abdulaziz Tariq, and I am a student from grade 12 Commerce. The entire 2-day session hosted by Ms. Marilyn was extremely productive for me, and I got to explain that understanding my money will mitigate me from facing any future situations or any future risks, and that financial literacy will also help me to foresee those risks in the future. We also got to understand on how to manage our money and how to build assets and also pursue our personal future goals.
Alexander Jacob, and why I enjoyed it is that it helped me to become financially literate and helped to understand that why conserving or saving money is important to my future or even future generations in many ways.
Hi, I'm Zahra Mir, and I really enjoyed this program with Mrs. Marilyn and the KFI Global Group, and it was really helpful and useful, and I had learned a lot of new things, and thank you so much for that.
Thank you, Emirates NBD.